Welcome back to the channel. Man, freaking tired. It's been a long day at work. So, at the end of our last video, after the whole clown pants incident, after the whole clown pants incident, we went ahead and pulled the booster, the master cylinder, off this garbage, and we're going to do the put the manual stuff on it. Got to redo brake lines, just snowballing the crap out of this thing. The good news is that once we are done, this thing will be light and it will be right. And it'll be ready to destroy our personal best of our fleet of cars, which the FLTD holds that ET record at a 652. This thing hopefully will shred that number. It's not gonna run a 599. Stop. But I'm hoping we're a little faster than a 652. So I don't really know what it'll run. We gotta get it running. I do know this much, it'll be light, and even if something happens with the blower or down the road I get frustrated, we're already all done, ready to go, national aspirated. We'll have all the wiring done, the manual brakes done, we'll have the line lock done, the whole thing will be done. We have the column in it, everything's done. So I'm happy that that work is getting done. It just sucks doing it. I do not enjoy this part of it. So, anywho, that's where we're at. Man, I may just start taking the header, and I said I was going to do this head today. I'm not going to get it done today, but I can start on it. So let me start doing some work. All right, we got the header undone, got the plugs out, got the lower bolts out already. Got all that drain. We also got our proportioning valve out. Obviously, the master cylinder's out, brake booster. So still got to change the pedal and some other stuff. We got a lot going on, so we'll just keep nibbling away at it. Got all the rockers off, push rods out, got all the bolts knocked loose. So now we can take this deal apart. See what's what. I mean, there's no seeing what's what, it's just, it is what it is. All right, there we go. Same old. Now we gotta clean all of this up. And we'll be ready to reassemble. Got it cleaned up a little bit. We haven't wiped it down, we just wire brushed it, or wire wheeled it. Now we're gonna run the thread tracer through. Got a lot going on. Busy, man. Got a lot going on. And I know this is double deuce striking in a single video, but I figured, what the hell? I mean, if one's good, two's got to be better, right? Oh, man, okay. What's happening right this minute? We got this supremely wrapped box from Automotive Racing Products. Supreme wrapping from ARP. Packaging, whatever you want to call it. What do we got here? Let's see what we have here. Ooh, oh. ARP, baby, coming with the good stuff. Okay, let's see what we got here. All right, this is what I wanted to look at. These are the box. I gotta admit, these are a lot nicer than the Speed Pros. Okay, let's see what we got here. so we can, yeah, okay. You know what? Sometimes I do these things for you guys so you guys don't have to struggle. This right here is a Speed Pro lower head stud. This is an ARP head stud. Do you notice any difference? In good conscience, I cannot recommend buying these. They are cheaper, but you do get what you pay for at times. These are a lot nicer. I haven't even looked at the upper ones. I would. Let's get a look at the upper one. Oh man, that thing's sweet, dude. Are these 12 point? Nope, they're hex. Regular 6. Oh, these are the super sweet ones too. Now this kit right here, Jason, bless his heart, Jason went all out. And without actually looking up the numbers, the part numbers, holy crap. Yeah, I like how they cut out the total, how much it was. He got us the kit that also comes with the bushings. So if you're using most aftermarket heads are drilled 1/2 inch holes, so you can use them on 351s. That just makes common sense. And you'll see them all the time. If you don't know this, I'm sure 99% of you guys do know this, that the regular 302 stuff is 7/16 bolt holes. So it comes with these bushings to take up the space. So you can use a Windsor head on a 302 block, an aftermarket one, or even a factory one. And honestly, personally speaking, NA, I don't think it matters. Whatever. If you want to put them in, that's full. Don't, do as I say, not as I do kind of a thing. I don't really think it matters that much. But on boost, I definitely think that you should have the bushings to keep the head from any kind of shimmying, if it ever was going to do that. These are awesome. You know what I'm going to have to do? I'm literally going to do on the one side what I was going to do on the other side. Oh my God. But to hell with it. Yeah, okay. All right, cool. See you guys in the next clip. I told you the top seem long. I mean, what happened? I needed that on the bottom one, I swear. China. Wonder why we got a trade deficit. Sorry for the wind noise, guys. One thing I wanted to point out about the ARP head stud kit, because I haven't bought a set of these in, the last thing I had head studs on was in the 90s on my blower car. The kit that Jason so generously got us has the reducers, like I said, but it does not come with a standard washer for the stud. This actually acts as the washer, the reducer. So they don't work in a regular cylinder head like a GT40. So you technically do not have any washers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the ARP washers from my ARP head bolts. Now, I could use the Speed Pro washers because they're just a flat washer. These are actually shouldered or beveled, but that's not going to be a problem. That's not going to be a big deal. That's just for alignment with the bolt, help it kind of sink down into it. We're probably going to flip it over and have the nut run down the flat side, and the small amount of bevel will be on the head side. I think that's what we're doing, whether it's okay or not. But I just wanted you to be aware that if you're looking to buy a set, be aware of what you're buying and be aware of what you're getting or not getting. So if you buy the set with the bushings, it does not come with regular washers. You would either have to drill the heads out to fit the washers or the reducers, or rustle up some washers. And I get it, some guys like myself could potentially put aluminum heads on. Then I will need these bushings. So that's why they sell the bushing separate as well. But anyway, it's not a big deal. We personally have a workaround, but for the average guy, maybe you don't. Now, we're gonna put the lower, we've already screwed the uppers in, we're gonna put the lowers in and see what we can do. Hopefully Jegs will give me a credit on the Speed Pros when I explain to them that the product does not work. Got this deal all coppered up. Don't forget, front first. Okay, there we go. Rebar bandit. Boom. We have legitimate stud engagement.
Is that on?
Yeah, I just turned it on.
Oh.
Okay, here. This is perfect.
Oh.
All right, guys.
I think I should put. I'm so scared.
Watch this. Okay. Nobody laughed at this.
What do you laugh at what?
You go in and get in the shop and get the red and black impact. It's sitting on the floor by the yellow and black drill.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
I know exactly where that
It's
is.
right in the doorway. You find it? Huh? See it? On the floor. On the floor. Floor. To your right. To your right. Go red and black. Did I not say yellow? It's next to the yellow and black drill. I'm trying to learn this girl something.
I don't know why.
I said the door.
Yeah, I know.
I would have specified.
Yeah, I know. And then I forgot which one was which.
Come here, because I'm gonna. All right. Now you're gonna put. You guys torque these in 3 steps. Well, you don't have to pay attention. All you got to do is pull the wrench. The first step is going to be, we're just going to, nah, I got to go higher. Okay. All right, here. You got to torque this one first. You got to go this way until it clicks. It'll click. So come up here. You want to come over here. Take it. Hold on. All right, you may want to, where you can grab a hold of it.
Okay.
All right, now turn it until it clicks.
This way?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, it'll go back. It's a ratchet, so it'll go back.
Oh, let it go back?
Yeah, yeah. Come on.
Seriously? It's not moving.
Okay. That's to 50. Hey, 351 Windsor goes to 110.
Yeah, I don't think I
Okay,
can
so
do
this is not your job.
that. No.
Okay.
No.
I just, hey, but
I need it.
you tried.
I need it.
Oh crap, I'm about to mess up. I say that was drawing to 60. So I got to put the bottom stuff on. But I wanted you to try one.
Yeah, I know.
You did good though, you tried. Well, I mean, you tried.
Yeah, but you
And trying is, you know,
tried.
can't never did anything.
No.
So when someone says, I can't do it, you're like, well, did you try? No, I didn't try. How do you know?
I didn't mean to step on your foot. He said,
So we have officially found a job that she can't do. Now, intake bolts, you'll probably be spot on the money with that. Because that's only 25 pounds. Max is what I do. These are the new studs from Jason.
oh,
It's, yeah, they're a lot better.
the ones that were 2 weeks out
Yeah, that got here a week early. I know, right?
or something like that.
It was a week, they basically were a week early. It was gonna be like next Friday. What? Now you can Uncle Rico? Hey, come over here and throw that football where they can see you.
Well, it's going to pass across.
They can't see you throwing it though.
That's okay.
No one cares about it flying through the air.
don't
It's
want
the
me to
motion
hit
that counts.
You don't want me to hit you in the pit. Okay. Henry knew that. It's the motion that counts.
Well,
Like,
yeah.
I go towards the foot, towards
They
the
want
camera.
to see you.
All right, Henry. We knock over the camera.
Oh, Jesus.
Well, it's not inflated. I've done better than that
I
before.
swear. What in the actual crap?
Yeah, Henry's like, Mom. Henry,
Yeah,
Henry.
no kidding, Mom.
Where'd he go? Look, did I scare him off?
Probably.
Hard to do it, Henry. Where'd he go? What? Oh, he went around looking.
He went over here looking for it?
I don't think he went over there.
Oh.
I'm glad that you think that I could throw it that far. And now it's in the bushes. Or the trees or whatever that is. Look, he has no idea. What? You gonna go get it? It's over there, I promise.
Phew.
Throw it no more.
Okay. It's 80 pounds.
Yes, you just need another package.
Now we got to change the other side.
Yeah.
At some point, statistically, we'll have to get this right. I mean, I'm hoping that it'll, man, we need to run some seafoam through this thing. Wow, it's got some carbon buildup on them. Wow, I'm gonna run some marble mist oil through this rig. Anyway, yeah, so at some point we'll get it right. So yes, we're gonna do the unthinkable. We're gonna pull these studs out one at a time. And then I'm gonna torque them back. Just, this is stupid, but this is what we're doing because we're stupid. Well, that sucked. Okay, we got the job done though. We have all the head studs in. Again, huge shout out to Jason for doing that. I mean, he watches a video and he's like, oh my God, you know, just put that garbage in. And so, it was a huge help. I mean, I feel a lot better, honestly. Just, I wasn't a huge fan of the lower ones. And again, I know this video, the last couple videos just been whatever, but maybe you guys learned something besides the fact that I'm just an idiot. Maybe I gave you a little bit of information that'll help you on your projects of don't buy those studs. So yeah, hats off to Jason for that. And as always, the combination for the car is listed in the description of the video. And thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. Perfect example. We couldn't do it without you, and sometimes we honestly couldn't do it without you. But we wouldn't want to. But especially, thanks for watching. And until next time on the Substandard Leader and Box Body videos on this here man's YouTube, 1 year, 5-speed, single plane, pushrod, 5.0 Lincoln Town Cars, 4 drag vans, proud owner, proprietor, bartender, grill cook, rope worker, cover charge collector, and premium dancer of Club Big Boost. And as always, fighting a good fight against those zombie Mustangs and that rascal Dr. Fear. We'll see you guys in the next video.